Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox, even if you don't have a government ID. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that your account is 13 plus. This is a requirement for using voice chat features on the platform. To confirm this, look for the 13 plus icon on your home screen. It should be visible somewhere next to your username. If you don't see it, your account may not meet the age requirement. Now, click the gear icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. Next, open the Privacy and Restrictions tab, then select Communication. After that, select the voice chat option and toggle on Enable Microphone. Your voice chat option is now enabled, and you can use voice chat in any game that supports it. And that's it. Now you know how to enable voice chat in Roblox, no ID. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.